Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a newsletter in Brevo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Launch on the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type brevo.com. That's going to take you into the official website for Brevo. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create newsletter in Brevo. So from this dashboard, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these options, which include home, contact, campaign, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, and all the way down to calls. Now, if you want to create a newsletter, go ahead and click on campaigns. So once you click on campaigns, you have these other options, which include email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads, templates, statistics, and settings. Now you can create a newsletter for email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, any one of them. So let's say we want to do that for emails. Go ahead and click on email. And let's see how we can push that forward to create a newsletter via email. As you can see, the page is loading up, and once it's done, we're going to go right straight into it. So now that we are in this window, okay, so first to start creating this newsletter. All right, so at the top right corner, you're going to see this create campaign option. So go ahead and click on create campaign, and it's going to take you right into the next window that will aid us to create our newsletter using an email campaign. Okay, so in this window, we're going to have to create an email campaign. So this is regular and it's like A/B test, but then we just have to enter a campaign name here. So let's say the campaign name would be for food lovers. So that's what it's going to be, for food lovers. Now go ahead and click on the create campaign button, and it takes you to the next window where you just have to follow the next step, the step-by-step processes. That way your newsletter will be created. So let's wait to see what the options are. Okay, so let's fill this out. So the sender, you're gonna have to add who the sender is. So manage the sender, click on manage sender and send. Just go ahead and add the people that you want to send this to, and then the recipient, add recipients. So this, of course, repeat your sender status, and of course the sender is me. So I can click on this manage sender option and manage this. I can change the sender if I want to. So just click on save after saving, and then this recipient. So add recipients. How many people do you want to send this to? So click on that and add recipients. Okay, so that's coming right up. All right, so here you go. So send to who? So manage this list. So go ahead and include the person that you want to send this to. Don't send to unengaged contacts. If you want to, you can use the advanced options and go ahead and hit save, or just go ahead and cancel. And then the next option is for you to add a subject line. So add a subject line for this campaign by clicking on this, add subject, and then add the design, start designing to create your email content. Then after that, go ahead and click on additional settings for you to edit. If you have all the settings that you want to manage, the personalization, sending and tracking, subscription design, go ahead and fill that in and just have fun with the designing process. So once you're done filling out all of this and you're done doing all of this and creating the newsletter, you can go ahead and hit on this preview and test for you to see what it's going to look like, and then click on schedule for you to schedule the time for your posting. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can create newsletter in Brevo. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.